Hello everyone. Welcome to the Subi classes for kids. So kids, today I am going to tell you another beautiful story. Story name is The Greedy Dog. So kids, let's start. Once upon a time, a dog was living in a village. One day, he was passing by a river. He had a bone in his mouth. He looked into the water and saw his own reflection in it. He was thinking it was another dog with a bone. He wanted that bone too. Baba, Baba, he barked. The bone in his mouth fell into the water. So children, moral of this story, never be greedy. If you like this story, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.